Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Switzerland, so we will be going through some country-specific information such as the AHV card, medical insurance, transferring the company pension funds to Deels, family allowance application, public holidays. Under the AHV card compliance document, you have to upload both sides of a card which contains your AHV social security number. This number always starts with 756. The uploaded card either can be your OASI card or your health insurance card. If you do not yet have an AHV number, you can download the application statement from the compliance documents section of the platform and upload it back signed. To provide the mandatory company pension fund, Deel has partnered with Zurich Insurance. All employees are entitled to the Vita Classic plan. You will be automatically enrolled and receive a postal letter with your login details in the first month of your employment. If you currently have a different provider, you will have to transfer your funds to Zurich Insurance. The good news is that this is a simple administrative process. You will have to fill out the form downloadable from the Deel platform, and then you can send it to your previous pension plan institution to transfer the funds. Health insurance in Switzerland is mandatory but fully privatized. Employees must take out health insurance for themselves and their family within 3 months of starting their employment in Switzerland. The employer is not involved in this process, and employees are free to contact any recognized health insurance provider that operates in their canton. If you believe you are eligible to receive a family allowance, please reach out to us via our 24/7 chat. As the eligibility has many criteria, our payroll experts will first assess your situation and then provide you with the instructions on how to apply. Public holidays vary by canton in Switzerland. You are entitled to the national and all regional holidays based on your canton of residence. You will not need to request time off for any of the holidays on the Deal platform. You are automatically entitled to those rest days. For more information, please visit the time of policy section in the platform. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deal. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey.